Hi everyone, how are you guys doing today? I hope you are finding the answering your questions series helpful. In this video, we're going to try and answer the questions about the smell, the taste, and nausea that a lot of you guys have reported. So, yes, I went ahead and ordered the supplement because, smell and taste is something you cannot really figure it out. I did contact Halo Beauty as well, but I was like, I can't really just base my answer on that. I have been intrigued by her supplements, and I was hesitant to try the first one because of the hair growth. I have enough of it already with my children's birth, so I can do without any. But I thought we'll do a little unboxing, taste test, odor test. I'm gonna take the pill today, report if I get any nausea. I haven't eaten anything today, so I'll let you guys know how it feels on empty stomach. If I do get nausea, I'll try taking it tomorrow with meal, and I will add that as a part of this video as well. As you guys already probably know from the thumbnail, we are going to cut open a pill, taste the ingredients, see if they have a smell if you cut them open. And yes, I also asked them about the color, so we'll talk about that also in a bit. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. So I guess if you order 3, there's space for 2 more in the same box. So I guess she has designed the box for, 3 bottles, which is not bad. Because I was going to say, this is pretty wasteful of packaging for this whittle waddle. I ordered this last Monday and it arrived Friday night. So the shipping was pretty quick, but it was really expensive. The bottle is 30, and which itself is, I think, the most expensive thing that I have purchased for my channel that will finish off in just 30 days. And on top of that, I paid $6 shipping and another $3 in taxes. So the whole total was actually $38 plus. Yeah. My heart kind of sank when I saw that, but then I was like, you know what, I really need to try it. I have been talking about these supplements forever on my channel. I need to take the plunge. I need to take one for the group and, try it out myself. So should I give you guys a close-up? I'm wiping any fingerprints. The bottle in general is, once you have it in your hands, it feels not as cheap as the vitamin supplement bottles usually, but not as expensive as I thought it looked on camera. It looks nice, but it doesn't look as expensive as it looked, in the photos. So there you go. There's your supplement. This is the bottle. I think the chrome top looks nice. I like her design. And then it says XO Tati on top, which is pretty cool. I didn't think it would matter, but yeah. Let's open this up. Ooh, okay. Was it? Okay. It's sealed. No smell so far. Okay. This is supposed to help me open this thing, isn't it? No, it's peeling off. Come on. Okay, there you go. So far, I don't smell anything bad, and these pills are bigger than what I expected. Well, I didn't need a knife. These are just regular gel capsule. These are just like veggie capsules. I don't know why I expected them to be sealed. And Tati did mention that you could open these up and just add them to your smoothies, I think during one of her last pill release. So the color, I asked them about the color and they said it's a naturally derived color. It's not from beetles or anything. That was their first answer. So I reached back to them and said that I understand that it's vegan. Can you please give me specifics? And they still told me that they believe that it's made from algae and something else. And the girl or whoever answered my question did not know the specific answers, but they were really, really quick to get back to me. They got back to me within 48 hours, if not 24. So they were very, very quick to get back to me. So if you have any questions, I think you can definitely reach out to them. Yeah, after the crazy customer service debacle, I guess they are getting better at it as time is progressing, which is good to know. I had a knife down here to cut it open, but as you can see, it's just, I don't need it. I should not have brought it before opening it, because the way the things just fall down here. Anyway, so I'm not going to take all the contents as is because I don't like to eat powders, but anyways. So off the bat, I'm not noticing any smell. I don't know if it develops a smell over time. I will update you guys. So if you do have a smell in your bottle, I don't know why it would be so, like if you got it as soon as you opened it. I asked them, the customer service, about the smell as well, and they said that it has some whatever natural products that tend to oxidize over time and release some smell from it, but the supplement should still be good to use, is what they told me. So if you have a smell, that's what their answer is. So let's open this guy up. Okay, so there we go. Is it easy? Okay, I don't want to just spill all those things out. Oh, okay. I just want a few, like a small amount of powder. There you go. That's enough. That's enough. Okay, go back in. All right, so it's like a greenish, yellowish. Looks more yellow on camera. I suppose it's more greenish. It's a freaking expensive pill. I better not waste any. Here you go, guys. In the name of science. So one of the comments said that the taste is bitter. It has an almost like herbal smell to it. I don't mind it. Actually, I like it. Because I you know what, I grew up on Ayurvedic medicine and I have taken some really crappy stuff. If you guys have done like the experiments where they describe that sulfur, I think, smells like rotten eggs, I have eaten something like that. Like it was a medication for piles. Okay, TMI, I know. But when I was really young, I think in like middle school, I had severe trouble with that, and I took so many medications for that from modern medicine that didn't work. And then one of the medicines was by this like really old Ayurvedic doctor, and it was like a little powder. You had to like slice open a banana and then like kind of core it a little bit, make a little area inside, drop the medicine, close the banana up and close the peel up and leave it, I think, overnight. And then I had to eat the whole part of like the section of banana with the powder inside and just eat it up, and it was gross. It was so bad that I had to like hold my mouth shut, and the stuff would just go in and out and in and out, and whoa. Yeah, it was really, really bad. So compared to that, this feels like a walk in the park. Actually, it tastes good to me. So amla naturally has like this bitter sour taste. So the bitter taste you guys have noticed, I don't know if it's from that. Honestly, I don't mind the taste or the smell. It has almost like, I remember when my mom was in the hospital, she was given one of those protein biscuits. In India, they used to come in this like really like sealed tight pack. They were these like really thin biscuits inside, or cookies as they say in America, and it smells like that to me. So I have like memories associated with the smell, you can say. It really doesn't smell any bad to me, I'm sorry. I will let you guys know if it develops that smell over time. But let's take it and see, if I develop any nausea. So here you go, guys. Gosh, I was thirsty. Yeah, and you have reported that you smell the smell even after you take it. So I will come back and record if I start to develop any nausea or anything, and I will let you guys know what I feel. That is my older one coughing. I feel like I want to experiment with bromelain on him because a lot of people who have taken just bromelain supplements have reported that their congestion cleared up pretty quickly. He had bronchiolitis when he was just 1 year old, and since then his colds just get really, really bad. I feel so bad for him for that. But at least right now, I'm not experiencing any nausea. If I develop any, I will report to you guys. It's been what, 5 minutes since I took it, and yeah, I do cut out sections of my video, so you don't know how long it really has been. What I'm experiencing is like a slight, like very slight cramping at the very top of my stomach, or at least like just right at the bottom of my rib cage. Let me know if that's what you guys were talking about, like some cramping. Did you guys say cramping or just nausea? Maybe it was just nausea. But I hope you are interested in finding out how my experiment with this super expensive monthly pill, not monthly pill, monthly supplement goes. And so, yeah, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. Bye.